Hey everybody, this is Learn to Study Effectively's sample block schedule and grade check how-to. I'm going to make it quick. In this week's current week one folder, you will see that the block schedule is in there. It's also over here in upcoming videos. Week one block schedule, it's worth 10 points. I'm going to show you by going into a sample of it in the resource folder exactly how you can get all 10 points. You can even upload this sample block schedule. See here down at the bottom, sample block schedule. And what you're going to see is that I've made highlights where you're supposed to fill out information. So basically today was Tuesday. Your goal was to fill out as much as you could on this. Yesterday, you can fill out what 3 things, one for each of your 3 hours, you were supposed to do. I included 8:30 health, or in Tuesday's case, advisory, and you can add that in if you want to. But the main thing each day, and we'll talk about the frogs on Wednesday, is what are we doing in each class that needs to get completed? What is the main thing? Today for my class, which is you're either in my 2nd or 3rd hour, it's to fill out as much of this block schedule as you can. Yesterday, you were supposed to email me, and that's in lesson number 1 in week 1 folder. The goal for this is to have all of your important to-dos in one spot. All right, so for example, let me get myself out of the way here. On Friday then, or Thursday night, you're then going to fill in this to-do, things left to do. It's like a reflection on the week. What didn't I get done? Let's write it down, get it done so that I can be done with this week and not have to wonder what's missing. Obviously, you can check your grades, but by then it's already missing. And the goal is to turn things in on time. That's why teachers have it broken down so that it's not so overwhelming. Maybe you have a big project due and that's something you could write in the notes. Or maybe you realized you didn't get done one main thing, so you can write that. Or that there's a test coming up to study for. And then on Thursday night or Friday morning, you're going to fill in the grade. Also, don't forget to fill in the week. It's November 30th through December 4th, and each of your classes. You can abbreviate mine LSE for Learn to Study Effectively, and the Friday follow-up. Also, if you scroll down, there's a list of what you need to do. 3 points for filling out all of the yellow for the grade check. 5 points for filling out all of the yellow for the week. The school block is the only thing I'm worried about. If you want to fill in before school, after school, that's fine. You might have a job, so maybe that's helpful to know, like, oh, I can't save everything till Thursday because I'm working Thursday. And then Friday is worth 2 points, so to a total of 10 points. This will be due Friday, so it's best to just fill it out as you go along in the week by uploading this or the one in the assignment to Notability. The one in the assignment doesn't have this yellow highlighting. So that's it for the block schedule. It's a little different than in past trimesters because we're getting specific with our school block. The time is already figured out for us. So we're dedicating from 9 to 12:30 to just getting everything done, or maybe 8:30, or maybe you'd rather put finishing up homework and health or whatever if you're not a 12th grader down in the 1 to 4 block. This is also when teachers are available. So if you were stuck and they weren't able to get back to you, they can meet with you after school. 1:10 to 2:30 is our typical time that we can meet with everyone. So I'm going to go back to the materials page. Well, hopefully I am. And just let you know that I'm working on a link for appointments. So right now it says that you can sign up for a time below. I'll get that link in there. But this is like a one-stop shop. If you need to get a hold of me or figure out what the username is for each of my classes, whatever one you're in, let's say maybe you're a senior and you have senior study and you didn't make it to my 2nd hour Learn to Study Effectively. There's also a 3rd hour, or vice versa. Maybe you'd rather get it all done ahead of time. I don't care which one you go to. So just obviously don't go to the reading class. That won't have anything to do with you. That's it. Thanks.